Alright guys, welcome back. I'm just going to open up some Shining Fates real quick. I did just open one. In the first pack I opened, I got 2 of the Pikachu things. I did open 3 packs, but the first pack I opened, I got a Charizard VMAX and a Delmise VMAX. So that was pretty cool. You can see them both right there. Let me turn these pack codes over a little bit. There's the stack from those packs that I opened. So one of the boxes had 3 Charizards in it. So that was pretty neat. So I don't know why I'm forgetting which way they go. So anyways, I don't really think there's going to be anything crazy out of these, but I should have recorded that, and I didn't. But anyways, sorry if I've been absent lately. I'm just kind of dealing with some stuff at home. So Decidueye, nice. That's a great card, beautiful. I actually think I need that for my binder. So anyways, I hope everybody's doing well. It's pretty neat to pull that. I was not expecting it. I was kind of mildly disappointed because I didn't pull it off cam or on cam. And I'm still not happy I haven't pulled the Celebrations Charizard for you guys, but it is what it is. Ooh, I pulled 2 of those the other day, and is it rude? That's amazing. Viltal is pretty awesome, and you can actually see both of the ones that I pulled the other day right there. So then I have my Celebration stacks that I'm gonna get ready and put them into one-touch bags. Gonna create as many 1 through 25 sets as I can, and give them away. I may start doing what Pokediz does and just give all of my bulk and dupes and such to a Phalanx. Never knew Phalanx was like a caterpillar. That's pretty cool. As a rude, nice. So we will see. We will see what happens. So 2 more packs, just real quick. Did 6 in total. So hopefully y'all get something good out of those. I'll post the 3 that I opened off cam in my Discord. I do need to get a link and post it in my videos for y'all, or not in my videos, but in the description. Oh wow, reverse ball guy. Okay. So pretty good double banger. We are getting ready to go to a trunk or treat. It is a trunk or treat for children with disabilities, so that should be a lot of fun. We have Legos to give out, Legos, candy, toy cars, little princess dolls, and all kinds of fun stuff. So absolutely amazing to be able to give back. Hey, a Dragapult. That's fantastic. And a Dreadnought. I will take the Dragapult. I feel like somebody asked me about that. So, okay. So that is pretty much all I'm gonna be opening right now. I don't have a whole lot of plans for a whole lot of anything, but I really wish I had pulled that Charizard on cam. But it is what it is, you know. You win some, you lose some. So, with that, be thankful, be grateful, be kind, and always be the light in the dark. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day.